In that exercise, almost all the questions I completed, right? Second alone I left. Listen, solve the problems given in example 1. Now I am going to discuss example 1. I will explain how the example 1, the word problem converted into quadratic equation. Right. Represents, first example number 1, right? Represent the following situation mathematically. Mathematically in the sense the word problem you are going to convert into quadratic equation. But in the exercise what they ask, solve that quadratic equation, right? Both the thing I am going to discuss with you again. Listen carefully children. John and Jivanti together have 45 marbles. Together means both of them having 45 marbles. Together the word is replaced by addition. John plus Jivanti equal to 45. That is the meaning. The first sentence, John and Jivanti together have 45 marbles. Right. Both of them lost 5 marbles each. Both of them they lost 5 marbles each. For example, I have 20 marbles, you have 10 marbles. Both of them lost 5 means what is the meaning? At present I have 15, you have 5. That is the meaning. Next, the product of the number of marbles and the product of the number of marbles they now have is 124. Product means multiplication, right? We would like to find out how many marbles they had to start with. See, two names are discussed, but who is having how many we don't know. Whenever it is nothing is given in that part, you have to consider as a variable. Here any one, either John or Jivanti, you can consider as a variable x. Okay, John, see here the solution is given. Let the number of marbles be x. I said together. So how it should be? John plus Jivanti equal to 45. John plus Jivanti equal to 45. I will say orally, then I will explain through the writing part, right? John has x. John plus Jivanti equal to 45. That means Jivanti equal to 45 minus x. Then what they said? Each of them lost 5 marbles. John is having x. If he lost 5 means how can you write x minus 5? Jivanti also the same. He is also lost 5. So 40 minus x. The product they said. So product means what I said, it should be multiplied. Both the things should be product equal to. Now I am going to solve the equation. You have to listen carefully. Up to quadratic, the mathematical, they said mathematically, convert the word problem into mathematically or represent the following in the mathematical. Mathematical in the sense you are converting into a quadratic. But in the exercise they said solve. That we are going to discuss now, right? First, John and Jivanti, two names are discussed. Either if you want you should take John or you should take Jivanti, that is your wish. Let John had X marbles. John had X marbles. That is, John had number of marbles I consider as X. Together the word is given. I said John plus Jivanti what they said 45. Together they had 45 marbles. Here I consider John as X. That means what is the condition of Jivanti? Jivanti equal to 45. The plus X, when you shift to that side, it will become minus, right? The first two statement I converted into a mathematical format. First statement, John and Jivanti. So, John plus Jivanti equal to 45. Here I consider John as X. So, Jivanti equal to 45 minus X. Then the next statement, what they said, both of them lost 5 marbles. Both of them lost 5 marble. At present, they lost 5 marbles. That is given in the question, right? They lost. So, at present, what is John had? John equal to John equal to, how many marbles he had? X minus 5 marbles. Why? Because they lost 5 marbles, both of them. So, you have to do the subtraction on both the part, right? Jivanti equal to 45 minus X minus 5, right? 45 minus X is the original marble. He lost 5, so I subtract minus 5 marbles, which is equal to, see, 45 minus X, positive, negative, do the subtraction and put the greater number symbol. So, what you will get? 40 minus X marbles. Once if you listen, once if you are attentive, you people do wonder in quadratic, right? So, what you will get? At present, how many is having? John is having X minus 5. Jivanti is having 45 minus X. In that question, what they said? Product. So, product means what? You want to multiply both of their marbles, right? Now, I am going to do that, which is equal to, according to the question, John is having how many marbles? X minus 5, right? How much Jivanti is having? We got, yeah, 40 minus X. In the question, what they given? Product, right? X minus 5 into 45 minus X, which is equal to, first you have to multiply and see, 40x minus x square minus 200 minus into minus plus 5x, right? 40x minus x square minus 200 plus 5x. See here 40x, here plus 5x. Both are addition. So, add and put addition symbol, right? 45x minus x square minus 200. But product what they given? According to the question I wrote, right? According to the question, you write product equal to, product equal to. So, product equal to, product what it is given in the question? 124. So, the word product I am going to replace by 124 equal to 45x minus x square minus 200. Still I didn't arrive the quadratic. I am yet to arrive, right? Now you shift all the terms to this side. 124 minus 45x plus x square plus 200 equal to 0, right? Now I arrived quadratic. I am going to simplify this, right? X square minus 45x plus 124 plus 200. If you are confident, you should do the addition directly, or otherwise you should use the right side margin. Nothing is wrong, right? 324 equal to 0. Now we got the expression as a quadratic. That's all the first example. But in the exercise what they ask, solve. Now I am going to solve the equation, right? X square minus, x square minus 45x plus 324 equal to 0. See here, x square minus 45x plus 324 equal to 0. The same I carry over to the next line, right? Now, what is sum? I discussed, isn't it? Coefficient of x along with the symbol. If it is addition, you have no issue. If it is negative, you have to, along with the symbol, you have to write. Now, sum equal to minus 45, product equal to, here coefficient of x square is 1. So, you have no issue, directly you write the constant. Except 1, any other thing, you have to use it and multiply. So, product equal to 324. Here also, whenever 3-digit number comes, better you should do the L-shaped division in the right hand side. That is safe for you people, right? 324. The number ends with 4. So, it is divisible by 2. 2 ones are, remaining 1, 12, 2 6 are, 2 2s are. Again, the number ends with 2. So, you can divide by 2. 2 8s are, 1s are. Here you see, the 2 is not possible, so you add and see the number. If it is multiple of 3, you can divide by 3. 81. So, it can be divided by 3. 2, 7. Again it is multiple of 3, you can divide. When you arrive the prime number, that's all the stop. You should stop the division. Now you have to write the possibilities. 2, 162. If you want, you write 1, 324. Next, 4 into 81. Next, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. 12 into 27. Next, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 12, 12 3s are 36. 36, 9. Next, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36. 36 into 3, 108. 108 into 3. These are the possibilities. See, I told you again and again, I am repeating that based on the sum, you should select the possibilities. Sum is negative, product positive. So, both the possibilities are negative. Minus, 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 minus. Right? See, minus 1, minus 324, it is not apt. So, which is apt? You have to do the mind calculation, right? Minus 36 and minus 9 is apt, that you should select. Now, x minus 36 x minus 9 equal to 0. Now x is equal to 36, x is equal to 9. Both the possibilities are accepted, right? Now two cases you will get. Case 1. If John had 36 marbles. If John had 36 marbles means Jivanti. Jivanti, what we consider? 45 minus x. So 45, Jivanti had 45 minus x, which is equal to 45 minus 36 equal to 9. Case 1, John had 36, Jivanti had 9 marbles. Jivanti had 9 marbles. Next, if suppose case 2, if John had 9 marbles, Jivanti had how many? The same logic you should apply. 45 minus 9, which is equal to 36 marbles, right? See, let John had, I consider 45 marbles, John plus Jivanti, because they said together. So the statement I converted into the form of addition. John plus Jivanti equal to 45 marbles. Next, Jivanti equal to the John I consider as x, that x I shift to up that side, so I get it as minus x. The last 5 marbles it is given in the question. So John had x minus 5 marbles, Jivanti had 45 minus x minus 5. Positive, negative, do the subtraction and put the greater number symbol. That's why you are arriving 40 minus x. Next, they said product, according to the question, product equal to John into Jivanti. So x minus 5 into 40 minus x. Then I multiply, simple multiplication you have to do very carefully, right? Now you arrive at the end as a quadratic equation. X square minus 45x plus 324 equal to 0. The next, sum equal to minus 45, coefficient of x. Product equal to constant into coefficient of x square. The possibilities you write. Based on sum, you should select the possibility. Sum is negative, product positive, so both the possibilities are negative. You have to apply here. Which is apt, you should select. Here x minus 36, x minus 9. When you add, you will get it as 45. You don't bother about the product, you have to concentrate only on the sum. Right. Now, x is equal to 36, x is equal to 9. Both the cases are accepted. If suppose John had 36 marbles, then Jivanti had 9 marbles, right? Case 2. If John had 9 marbles, Jivanti had 36 marbles, right?